Good morning, students. Today we'll learn about a pinhole camera. A pinhole camera is a simple application of rectilinear propagation of light rays. What is rectilinear propagation of light rays? Rectilinear propagation means light always travels in a straight line. So you can make a pinhole camera at home very easily. What you have to do is you have to take a rectangular cardboard box or a shoe box here like this. You can take a shoe box with one end open and the other end covered, and then paint it black, totally black. You have to paint it totally black from inside and cover the open end of the box with a smooth thin tracing paper. Okay, here you have put a tracing paper at the open side. So this will act as a screen. Then make a hole with a pin, a very small hole you have to make with the help of a pin. And that is at the opposite side, which was the closed side. See, here you can see a very small hole. So from here the light will enter the box through this hole. The light will enter. Then you have to stand in a dark room and point the hole towards the object outside a window. Take it near a window and hold it. The object should be in a bright light. You will be able to see, if you look through this, you will be able to see images of trees or people outside the window on this side. That is the tracing paper. Okay, but there will be a difference. What is it? All the images will be upside down or inverted. Okay, what do you mean by upside down? Upside down means inverted, ulta. Okay, see, this is the tree. If you look at the tree, when you look through the pinhole camera, it will look inverted, ulta dikhega, and it will also be diminished in size. Okay, the pinhole camera can be used to measure the height of objects like a building or a tree. By measuring the height of the image, the distance of the image from the pinhole and the distance of the object from the pinhole, that is the height of the tree, you can calculate it. So height of the tree upon height of the image will be what? The distance of the tree from the pinhole, okay, or the distance of the image from the pinhole. So pinhole camera can also be used to take the images of the sun. But children, if you are looking at the sun, please take care that you do not look directly at the sun. Why? Because it can damage your eyes. And during eclipses, the change in the shape of the sun can also be studied looking through a pinhole camera. But the only thing is that the image formed by a pinhole camera is always inverted. If you look closely at the shadows of trees on the ground, you will see many circular spots of light. Okay, if you go in a forest or anywhere outside, you will be able to see many circular spots on the ground here, as you can see in the figure. So what are these? These are actually the images of the sun. And these tiny gaps between the leaves, there are tiny gaps, so they all act as pinholes, and it is through these holes, that is the gaps between the leaves, that the sunlight enters and it gives us several images of the sun. Okay, so this is an example of a pinhole camera. So I hope that this much is clear to all of you. The last topic we will do in the next class. Till then, be safe, children.